we've got a chicken and potato curry on the menu today. Warning, this is super hot, but it's absolutely delicious. We've got some incredible ingredients in there. Fall off the bone chicken, beautiful tender potatoes. It's delicious. Welcome back once again to how to cook a great food. Let's get moving. So I want to get started with our chicken. Now, I've got 3 chicken legs, which I've just cut in half, so I've got a kind of drumstick there and the other half there. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to that. I'm using just a sunflower oil. And then I want to add these 3 ingredients. I'm going to add salt, black pepper and turmeric, teaspoon each. Got my glove on. I'm going to get in there, work this in, and then we're going to go straight to the cooker and get this beautiful curry happening. So heat is on, quite high, and I've got a little bit more oil in there. We're going to drop in our chicken. Now, like I say, I'm using chicken leg. You could use other parts of the chicken if you want. So I just want to give this a kind of blast. So like I say, quite high, the heat's just gone on. I'm going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to be flipping it around every 30 seconds or so. And then it can come out and we can move on. Okay, off goes the heat. We're going to get this chicken out now. Now, it's probably not cooked. In fact, it isn't cooked all the way through. But what we have got is some nice colour on the outside with some beautiful seasoning. So I'm going to take that out. Then we're going to go and take a look at some other ingredients. So there's our chicken. And then we've got all of these guys. Let's take a look. Potatoes. I've got some potatoes there. I've peeled them. And what I've done with these, I've parboiled them for just 2 minutes, just to give them a head start. You can do this from raw if you want. It just takes a bit longer. But yeah, these are very hard. 2 large tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, and in here I've got 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, about the same amount of cinnamon stick, and 4 dried red chilies. Our powders: 1 teaspoon turmeric, black pepper, salt, coriander, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. I've also got some fresh chilies here. The amount you put in is entirely up to you. And here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, fantastic. If not, try and get them dried. Okay, back to the cooker. Okay, so I've still got the oil that we fried the chicken in. I've reduced it down by about 50%. And we've got the heat on. So in goes the dried red chili, the cinnamon, and the black peppercorns. Again, we're on quite a lively heat. In goes the curry leaves, which sometimes can be quite loud. And then we're going to drop in our sliced onion. And again, we're on quite a high heat, above medium heat. And I'll be back in 3 minutes, and we're going to keep this moving pretty much all the time. Incredible aromas here. Right, let's drop in our potatoes. So good, so good. We're now going to add our garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons. Quite a lot for this amount, but it works beautifully in this. And garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time. We make our own one. You can do the same, make your own and put it in the refrigerator, or you can buy it in most stores. Right, about another 4 minutes or so, staying on this highish heat and moving it again pretty much all the time. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Next up, we're going to drop in those 2 large tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Our fresh chili. Now you can see that all I've done is I've just cut the ends off. Chop it if you want. I like it like that. Let's check out these spices, shall we? Here we go. So 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder if you're interested. Let's mix this in. Stay on this heat and let this go for about 5 minutes now. What we want is those tomatoes to break down, and if we have used a nice juicy tomato, we're going to get some water, moisture or masala out of them. See you in about 5 minutes. So in that 5 minutes, I have got tons of moisture from my tomatoes. If you haven't, don't panic. Just get some water in there. Now these potatoes are still hard. What we're going to do now is grab our lovely chicken that we prepared earlier. You remember, this chicken isn't cooked all the way through. I'm going to add a little touch more water. I'm going to get the heat right down to a simmer. Lid's going to go on. I'll be back here in 20 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Get the lid off. Get some steam out of there for you. And that has come together beautifully now. The tomatoes are broken down really nice. What a beautiful masala or curry there. The potatoes are nice and soft. I'm going to finish this off with a nice pinch or 2 of garam masala powder, which is a nice sort of finishing powder. If you wanted some fresh cilantro or coriander in there, for me, I'm going to opt out of that today. One little mix. I'll see you at the table. This is incredible. And there you go. You've got a chicken potato curry right there. Now that is fire. That's really hot, but it's delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Thumbs up, comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.